Bitcoin money sort of is a mid-position digital money right now estimated at $234.51 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,577,180,923 in a truly significant manner. Over the by and large past in every way that really matters, scarcely any years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, or so they certainly thought. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they thought. Retail financial backers and brokers truly are certainly keen on cryptographic forms of money, most certainly, for example, BCH on the grounds that this explicitly is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately by and large brief timeframe, so over the kind of past not very many years. Digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a for the most part significant way. These profits by and large are essentially out of reach in truly different business sectors, which generally is the justification for why most beautiful moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones sort of give a huge part of their in every way that really matters. Funding to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $234.51 where it right now sits, which generally is very critical. As currently referenced, BCH most certainly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 18th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the very metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which certainly is genuinely huge. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization explicitly remains at $4,577,180,923. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be especially made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to by and large, give our supporters the most dependable data on the present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough sort of evaluate the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it certainly needs to in a real sense be reconfigured, which truly is very huge. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which generally is really imperative for the really right assessment of both certainly current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its for the most part present and future bearing, or so they truly thought. Underneath you will find fundamentally key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market basically is going in a really significant manner. Recently, on September 28, BCH explicitly was esteemed at $228.66 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings, sort of recall that digital forms of money especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a really significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 0.83%. 7 days prior, on September 22, Bitcoin money in every practical sense was exchanged at $208.66 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its certainly present position, which basically is very critical. On August 29, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $224.05. The cost level that sort of is at the distance of 5.41% from where it at present stands, which is very huge. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX sort of are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations in an unpretentious way. Market capitalization especially is one more significant especially metric that especially assists brokers in every practical sense with deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to basically evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the sort of whole digital currency market, or so they truly thought. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to sort of is duplicated by its really current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH most certainly remains at $4,577,189.23, enough to name it the 18th, particularly the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market in a significant manner. Yesterday, on September 28, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money remained at $4,462,603,338 in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on September 22, the capitalization of BCH for the most part was $4,071,034,811, which basically is very huge. A month prior, on August 29, how much truly capital streaming around this specific market really added up to $4,366,708,000, Ursula for the most part thought. Most cryptographic money financial backers for the most part stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an actually certain digital currency and its capacity to really endure disturbances which truly are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly greatest stock of Bitcoin money is 21,000,000 BCH. The absolute inventory of BCH presently for the most part remains at 19,518,169 coins in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey most certainly is 19,518,169 BCH in a kind of significant manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't certainly be extremely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the genuinely metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to generally affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in an unpretentious manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain for the most part is happening on the rear of the by and large low exchanging volume, there by and large is a fundamentally high likelihood that this move is impractical and would truly bring about a bullish snare, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Consequently, it is critical to break down the exact past and the ongoing exchanging volume of BCH request to in a real sense, comprehend whether this market has a basic strength in every practical sense, large way. Over the in every way that really matters, recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market in a real sense was enrolled at $247,659,925, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on September 28, BCH especially had an exchanging volume of $402,163,979, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on September 22, the in every practical sense, normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market explicitly added up to $170,425,145 in a for the most part huge manner.